Hello there guys and welcome to another video on Sepa channel. Today we're going to unbox these ring lights. Obviously multiple usage. You can use them, if you have like a small office and you want to have, conversation whatever with your colleagues and you want to use the webcam. Um, you can use them for makeup and the options are pretty much depending on you. What it does, it pretty much just brings some light to the subject. That is the actual use of it. Let's unbox it and see exactly what we have in the box. Right, so the InfaKey LED ring light, it has, well, you have the instructions manual, the manual, you have the tripod, which is quite of a nice tripod honestly, and despite the price, the tripod itself is quite sturdy, I must say. And there is a chance I'm gonna use this tripod to one of the lights that we're going to unbox on another video. I don't know, I should see about that. And you have multiple ways to, let's see how long it is. I think it's quite tall, this, Jesus, how tall is it? Yeah. This is very tall. I didn't really expect it to be that tall, but is there any specs on this? I have no idea how tall it is, but it is tall. Let's see what we have in the box. This looks like a mounting system. Most probably that's what it is. Man, the packaging. A small I think this should be it. Yeah, that's how you mount it. I think so, at least. Why is it not? Oh, that's fine. Mount it, decide on the position, leave it like that. Let's see what else we have. Wow, so many things, guys, literally. Jesus. That's good. That is very good. Why do we have... What in the world is this thing even? Is it like a small tripod? Why do we have another tripod? I'm a little bit lost, I must admit. Why in the world would... You know what, I'm gonna take it for granted, it is what it is. Well, that's a good Easter egg. Phone mount, different positions. We have like an adaptive mount in here, so you can change the position of whatever you're gonna mount. There, let's put it aside. Let's see what this is. And this is another phone mount. Why in the world do we have two of them? And what is this for? Man, I don't know. How this even works? let's see what's inside this box. Maybe we're gonna find out. I think we find out somehow. So this is the actual ring light. It's USB powered, as you can see here. USB powered, and you can set the different levels from this, which works like a remote. Now, I do understand the existence of this thing, but isn't it like too high? I mean, I don't know. How are you supposed to put something on it? Can you bend it? Oh my goodness me, you can actually do it. Can you unscrew it? That's the question. Yes, you can. Okay, I see you.